Hey everyone, welcome to the Daily Crypto Vision of Jan Robert Schutte Crypto Academy. And today we see Bitcoin consolidating a little bit around 10,000 bucks again. It's nearly 0.15% higher, and the BTC dominance is standing at 65.2%. Ethereum, XRP, and Bitcoin Cash all down a little bit. Litecoin is 1.65% higher. Binance is ticking up again. This is quite okay. Binance Coin I've been putting as an altcoin of the day last week, and it was around 30 bucks, but it's still a buying opportunity in my opinion. And Monero, privacy coin, 1.10% lower. Tezos actually, it's 11% higher. That's decent. And IOTA, Chainlink, Cosmos, Ethereum Classic all down. It's not that nice. Anyway, the market cap of the cryptos is now $274.7 billion, and it's not not so well. I mean, we've seen that a couple of weeks ago, more than far above $300 billion. And today also there's news about CFTC, the Commodities and Futures Trading Commission, and it's a kind of watchdog. They did not yet approve LedgerX physically settled Bitcoin futures, and yeah, the AG has to approve it still. And this, like ICE, they're also experimenting with physical settled futures of the Bitcoin. And as Cointelegraph reported yesterday, LedgerX said in an announcement that its physical futures offering was live on its Omni trading platform. However, the latest confirmation from the CFTC suggests that this could not have occurred. And derivative specialist Thomas G. Thompson pointed out on Twitter that the CFTC does not show any futures contracts certified by the firm. And he concludes that LedgerX may indeed have just launched their existing swaps on the new futures platform. Nevertheless, he concluded, quote, still important development because now retail can trade Bitcoin options and swaps, unquote. Meanwhile, cryptocurrency news outlet The Block reported earlier today, 1st of August, that numerous clues suggest that the launch indeed did not take place. The reporter quotes an anonymous industry leader commenting on the development, quote, don't see any reported trade volume either, vaporware launch, unquote. And nevertheless, the official LedgerX Twitter account announced today that the launch of the LedgerX Omni welcoming users to sign up for early access. And as Cointelegraph, and I think it's a highly um, reputable medium, Cointelegraph reported earlier this month that backed the long-awaited Bitcoin futures platform from the ICE Intercontinental Exchange, the ICE, has begun testing the delivery of BTC futures. And Cointelegraph reached out to the CFTC for comments, but of course, the CFTC did not reply anything. So this is an interesting development, though, and I'm curious if the watchdogs will approve physical or physically delivered futures. However, we will take a look at what will happen in the future, and we'll keep you posted, of course. Okay, I'm going to take a look at the Bitcoin chart. It's still 10,000, not so much going on. And if I'm taking a look at another big one, this Ethereum, of course, it's consolidating around 215 bucks. The low is still 190 bucks. The high is 240, 50 points a difference. And I think that it's quite unusual for crypto that is consolidating at this long, yeah, almost more than 1-2 weeks already, and it's waiting for a break, either upside or downside. On Ethereum, it's not that convincing. Although I'm a little bit slightly more bullish on Ethereum than Bitcoin, but what we've seen also the last weeks and months is that Ethereum is yeah, a weak performer, and it's going down all the time. It's not and harder and down. It's going down more than Bitcoin. This is not quite okay. That means that Ethereum is very weak, and I'm not sure if it is because of many projects are selling Ethereum and also not Bitcoin, and that Bitcoin is outperforming the market because it's still store of value number one, and it has proven itself. And it's also a milestone that Bitcoin miners have now mined 85% of the total supply of Bitcoin. So this is quite interesting. Anyway, if you would like to take a look at Ethereum, in worst case scenario, we can go down to 200 points again, spike down, but the $200 it has been proven a very strong support. Excuse me. And as long as the 200 bucks support is holding, we can take a look for a rise to 240 to 260 bucks. I wish you a very pleasant evening. Bye bye. Ciao.